Sana ko na naman kay Mike, grupo.
Igilid mo yan, te!
Happy birthday,
Hello, I'm Magiliw Vinny. I started Standing Alamat since their debut. And from the first time I saw them, the members together, I was really already drawn to Zhao. My favorite interaction is and will always be our first interaction together, which was in their Eagles Bar gig. First time ko mapanood na live ang Alamat, and Jao was really very nice, and he was really very accommodating of people saying hi and hello, and I got my first hi during that time. Jao, happy birthday, 21 ka na. I hope you get to reach everything that you want to achieve in life, and enjoy!
Hi! Ako'y Etsy, Ibot King, Mabalacat, Pampanga. So, first time kong maka-interact si Jao, and nung unang-una din, siya yung naging bias ko na kasi nga, we're from the same school, at the same time, Kapampangan siya, of course. Kasi, di ba, madalang yung mga, naririnig mo yung mga languages ng iba't ibang part ng Philippines sa isang kanta. So, I was so proud, or still I am proud na narinig ko yung language namin. So, yung favorite interaction ko with Jao is during the Dagundong concert meet and greet. I was able to speak to him in our language, and I introduced myself as Etsy nga. And I asked him if familiar din siya. Sabi niya yes. So medyo nagkaroon kami ng connection doon. Pareho kami ng school. Nung high school kami. So, ang message ko kay Jao is, masaya ng Aldo ng kibaitan kaya ko, ika ing masalang aslang ng Aldo keng madulong dumaya po. I love you, Jao! Happy birthday, Bunso!
Hi, I'm Rhea Go. So, first ko naging fan ng Alamat is from June 2023 nung sa Viva Cafe. So, yun, sobrang galing nila ng mag-live performance, kumanta, sumayaw. So, doon ako na-start na napahanga sa kanila. And then, yung pinaka-masaya kong interaction, yung memorable kong interaction kay Jao is yung nagulat ako, nag-hi lang ako sa kanya, and then tinawag niya yung pangalan ko. So, talagang parang, ayun, na-appreciate ko yun, at syempre, parang bihira kasi yung makakaalala ng name mo. Then after that, yun, kaya talagang naging bias ko talaga si Jao, and then sinusupport ko na rin yung buong Alamat. And Jao, happy 21st birthday, and tuloy mo lang yung mga ginagawa mo, yung gusto mo gawin, and wish you more success and more blessings pa. And syempre, para magkaroon kayo ng tuloy-tuloy na shows and more international shows pa. So, keep up lang, and basta, go lang ng go. Yan.
So, my name is Fleur. Naging magiliw ako nung... Actually, nakita ko yung concept video nila. And then afterwards, nag-start ko na sila pakinggan. Siguro, I think Kasmala era, yung medyo super nag-stand na ako with them. Yung first time ko yung Eagles Hub, that was my first live na event with them. Tapos si Jao from the backstage, nakikita namin siya from the table. Tapos kumakaway siya with us. It felt, very welcoming for us. Parang, kahit bago pa lang kami na nag-interact with them, he made me feel that we're welcome and we're also, parang one with everyone. So, yun. Happy birthday, Jao! I hope more slay moments, and I hope you're also able to maximize your reach. Ang mga nag-follow sa'yo, all the best and keep on shining.
Hi everyone, my name is Jamie and kaya naging magiliw ako dahil sa best friend ko si Rich and my best interaction with Jao is wala naman so far. Nagko-comment ako lagi sa TikTok. Tapos birthday speech. Sana makita kita soon and ang pogi-pogi mo.
Hello po, my name is Alexis. Nag-start ako maging magiliw since K-Bye era when their music video po nag-viral. Best interaction po so far nung mall show po na nasa Robinson's Starmilk and when I got the chance na makalapit po sa kanya. And wala na pong other interaction other than that, pero if may wish man po akong na maging interaction with Jao, siguro po TikTok, ganun, like, ganun. And birthday wish for Jao, I hope na you'll continue to be the slayest bestie in the whole world, in the Philippines, in the universe rather. And yun lang po, happy birthday!
Hi Jao, I'm Lian. Tapos, naging magiliw po ako dahil po sa ate ko na nababaliw na po kay Jao. Best interaction ko siguro, first ever, is nung P-Pop Fiesta, nung I got a chance to makita yung alamat. Kamis. Hi Jao, sana makita ulit kita today. Continue to be more jolly Jao, and more blessings to come. And I hope na ma-share mo pa yung talents mo to everyone. Happy birthday, love you. Mwah.
Mahal niyo si Jao, mahal niya kayo, mahal ko din kayo.